Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am Vetrivel, Associate Professor, Department of Physics, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss about steels, which is in the second unit of Material Science PH 8251. Course outcome. Upon completion of this course, the students will be able to explain the different types of steels. Steel is an alloy of iron and iron carbide in which the maximum percentage of carbon is 1.5 percentage. Now let us see the classification of steels. In general, steels are classified into two main categories. The first one is low alloy steels and the second one is high alloy steels. Again, the low alloy steels are classified into three important categories. They are low carbon steel, medium carbon steel and high carbon steel. Now let us see what is low carbon steel. Low carbon steel is characterized by a low ratio of carbon to iron. By definition, low carbon consists of less than 0.3% of carbon, also known as mild steel. It costs less to produce than both medium carbon and high carbon steel. In addition to its low cost, low carbon steel is more pliable, which may improve its effectiveness for certain applications while lowering its effectiveness for other applications. Now let us see what is low carbon steel. In the picture, we can see the image of low carbon steel. In general, they are used for the manufacturing of steel rods, as shown in the figure. Now let us see the properties of low carbon steel. The low carbon steels having low hardness and cost. Second one, they are having high ductility, toughness, machinability and weldability. Now let us see the various applications of low carbon steels. First, they are used for the manufacturing of steel frame for buildings. They are chosen for its unique structural properties. Low carbon steel has good enough strength for building frames in construction projects. Second application, machinery parts. Steel in its most basic form is a combination of two elements, carbon and iron, used in most of the steel industries. Third application, they are used for the production of cookware materials. And the fourth application, they are used in the manufacturing of various types of pipes in the industries. Now let us see medium carbon steel. Medium carbon steel has a higher ratio of carbon to iron than low carbon steel, but still less than that of high carbon steel. While low carbon steel consists of less than 0.3% of carbon, medium carbon steel contains anywhere from 0.3% to 0.6% of carbon. Many automotive parts are made of medium carbon steel. It's stronger and more durable than low carbon steel but still offers some ductility. Now let us see the structure or image for medium carbon steel. Here we see the medium carbon steels are used for the manufacturing of metallic sheets as shown in the figure. Now let us see the various properties of medium carbon steels. When we consider the medium carbon steel, carbon content in the range of 0.3 to 0.6%. They can be heat treated, that means arsonizing, quenching and then tempering. Then they are most often used in tempered condition, that is tempered martensite. The medium carbon steels have low hardenability. The addition of chromium, nickel, molybdenum improves the heat treating capacity of medium carbon steel. Finally, heat treated alloys are stronger but have lower ductility. Now let us see the various applications of medium carbon steels. The medium carbon steels are used in railway tracks and wheels and also the manufacturing of gears. They are used in the manufacturing of crankshafts. Now let us see the third category, high carbon steel. High carbon steel has the highest ratio of carbon to iron. It consists of more than 0.6% carbon, thereby changing its physical properties. Also known as carbon tool steel, it has around 0.61% to 1.5% carbon. With such a high carbon content, high carbon steel is stronger and harder but less ductile than low carbon and medium carbon steel. Here, the property ductile or ductility is nothing but the metal can be drawn into wires. Now let us see the application, very important application for high carbon steel. They are used for the manufacturing of steel rods, in the construction of telephone towers and so on. Now let us see the properties of high carbon steel. High carbon steel properties include a very high strength, extreme hardness, resistance to wear and moderate ductility. So the various applications of high carbon steels are, the common applications of high carbon steels include rail steels, spring steels, both flat and rolled and around, pre-stressed concrete, wire rope, tire reinforcement, wear resistant steels, for example plates and forgings, and high strength bars. So here in this video we have discussed the various properties of steels and applications of steels. Thank you.